You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know. But you didn't have to cut me off, because I could never happen to know we were nothing.
Ba yan?
Treat me like a stranger.
Jambi, ganda ka te.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so present about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space.
We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know it, that is sight to see. Take my time to take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall it, ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history.
Something special's going down. That's what I think she foreign. I think she foreign. Got passports, me I'm on. Started slow, got faster. She gon' work some more, work some more. No stopping enough, no stopping enough. And then she started dancing, sexual romancing. Nasty but she fancy. Lipstick on my senses.
Taro. Ay, kahit na. Be, kaka-out ko lang, be. Trip 2. Ba't di ka masakyan? Asan ba? O, di ba madulas? You wear your, ano, dito. One. Be, anong ginagawa mo dyan, Be? Spider-Man. Ay, let's go. Sige, guys, dito mong tao. Tete. Makala niya seaweed. Anong ma? Ama mo ba ako nalilito ka na nagalo sa puso ko. Pagod ka, te. Pagod ka, te. Pusok. Tama na to. Cravings pa mo. Tangin ng cravings pa. Kapilang usapan eh. Oh, 1. Papunta dito. 2, 3, go. Sobrang lapit. Wala na akong nakuha ng tayo. Hindi ka na nakita sa video. Oh, langoy ka pa side. Pa gano'n. Langoy ka sa lahat. Ano ka? Karo. Gano'n ka, lubog ka sa ilalim. Pakalangoy mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Galing. Dali. 1, 2. Swimming na ka. Oh, doon ka. Sabi tayo. Ha? 2, 3, go. Ano, kaya nyo ba, te? Kaya nyo pa ba? Tangina, puro video. Isa pa, walang tutuko. Hanggat may hininga. Nalulunod yung anak mo eh. Nalulunod. Mimi po! Tingnan lang ako gago. Ang tatanggalin baga ako.